Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is another question that says, what is the mass of potassium hydroxide present in 500 centimeter cube of 2 mole per dm cube solution of the compound? All right, let's look at the solution to the problem. All the steps that will be involved. All right, let's take it one after the other. All right, now the concentration, right? The concentration of potassium hydroxide, KOH, right, is given as 2 mole per dm cube. All right, and again, the volume of the solution is equal to 500 centimeter cube. Okay, take note of that. All right, now what we need to know is that from these two parameters there is something involved, right? From the unit of the concentration, which is mole per dm cube, right, we can obtain our mole. Okay, there is a formula, if you remember, that number of mole will be equal to concentration multiplied by volume in decimeter cube. All right, which means the number of mole of potassium hydroxide will be equal to concentration of potassium hydroxide multiplied by the volume of the solution in decimeter cube. Take note, decimeter cube. All right, then now here, what is the concentration of potassium hydroxide given? That is 2 mole per dm cube. All right, multiplied by the volume. The volume here is given in 500 centimeter cube, right? To convert that to dm cube, we simply divide it by 1000, because 1000 centimeter cube is equivalent to 1 decimeter cube, right? So here will be 500 divided by 1000 in decimeter cube, like this. Okay, what next? All right, now we have 2 mole per dm cube multiplied by, this will be what? This will be 0.5, right? In dm cube. All right, so dm cube will cancel dm cube. What it means? So that will be 0.5 multiplied by 2, that will be 1, right? And what is the unit remain here? That's what the unit remains here is mole. That's 1 mole of what? 1 mole of potassium hydroxide. This is the number of mole of potassium hydroxide. From here, simply, what is the mass? Of course, 1 mole of a substance, right? The mass of 1 mole of a substance is the molar mass of that particular substance, right? So now say recall, or therefore 1 mole, right? 1 mole of potassium hydroxide, right, will produce what? Will produce the molar mass, right? To produce molar mass of what? Molar mass of potassium hydroxide at its mass. Therefore, molar mass of potassium hydroxide will be equal to atomic mass of potassium, which is given as 39, plus the atomic mass of oxygen, which is 16, right, plus 1. Okay, now add everything together. What are we going to get? All right, so if this one is added to this, that will be 40, right? 40 plus 16, that will be 56 grams of what? 56 grams of KOH. Isn't that simple? Please, kindly give us a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hope you are enjoying this channel, right?